Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. IELTS essay on October 19, 24. Today, due to advanced medicine, people are living longer. Therefore, the number of elders is expected to exceed that of young people. Do the advantages of this development outweigh the disadvantages? Prolonging lifespan is a reality in today's world, as people are living longer, thanks to advancements in the medical field that provide treatments for various diseases. Consequently, it is predicted that the number of elderly people will surpass that of younger people. The state needs more funds to care for the population so that they have healthy life. However, the old people in the family are must to keep an eye on youth and show them the right path. To start with the benefits of increasing gray population, the elders are the guide and mentor of the family as their presence is must for the integrity purpose. They are responsible to teach the knowledge of culture and tradition to all members of family who otherwise are trapped by technology, ultimately forget their tradition. In most of the families with the elder people, the members respect their decisions, value, and follow them. Therefore, all members remain united in the family, which becomes a platform for the children to learn the value of sharing, cooperation, togetherness, harmony, and helpfulness. These attributes are must not only in the personal but professional life also. These children are adaptable, so easily adjust in the society. However, some youngsters are busy in their life, so they may not be able to spend quality life with the old people. They are at the workplace with long working hours. Sometimes, they have to spend months outside so they cannot meet their parents, which causes gap resulting in disputes. The result is the frequent disputes over trifles, which causes unnecessary conflicts, further weakening relations. The younger ones, being impatient, hardly listen to these people or sometimes make fun. In conclusion, although the advantages of an aging population, such as increased wisdom and stronger family bonds, are important, yet the disadvantages, particularly the economic and social burdens on younger generations, cannot be overlooked. The need of careful management is required to minimize the potential drawbacks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.